hey, can we just break down this wall here a little bit? Pretend we're just talking to each other here. First, I wanted to say thank you so much. This channel has been a blast to build. We don't usually do these types of channel update videos. They're more instructional type videos, but there's been enough moving pieces lately that I wanted to get on here for a minute and chat. If you didn't know, our day job is consulting, where we work with clients and help them build Microsoft 365 solutions. And we're usually juggling a lot, up to like 10 clients at a time. And it can often feel like I'm piling on when I'm asking someone, hey, go sit in front of a camera, prepare all of your content and get in front of thousands of people and be recorded. So I'm really grateful when people do. So that said, about a year ago, things started to change. We had some staffing changes, including Ashley, who you probably remember. She had our most viral videos, which is probably why you're here. Honestly, you probably subscribed based on one of those videos. We also bounced between a few video editors and couldn't really find our groove. Meanwhile, we were getting enough ad revenue actually that these videos were funding basically this studio space. We decided to lease out some additional studio space. You're probably used to seeing this look, which is our main space where people are actually working, and it was always kind of a pain to ask people to be quiet. Basically, people had to tiptoe around in the office on recording days. This studio is a work in progress, but it's definitely nice to have a space dedicated to this stuff. And people, we actually now have a full-time video editor. Say hi to Benjamin in the comments. He's here with me. He's been doing a great job getting things up and running and getting us back into our groove. Now let's talk about the content of our channel. And I'm gonna get meta here for a second. While many of the people you see here on YouTube have a mission of helping others like us and sharing tips and tricks, they likely have some sort of product that the audience can buy one step further from the video. If they will go and learn more, they find extra courses or things like that, thus funding their business. Thinking along those lines, we said, what if we build a course to sell? We don't do anything half you know what, so we made a great intro to Power Apps course and barely sold any of them. Shout out to the people that supported us in that, but it didn't give us enough proof of concept to do more of those. So we were thinking, how else could we develop something for our audience? So we asked ourselves, what would it look like to take what we do with our actual clients and zoom out on that and more focus on the strategy of it? And what if we built a framework for leaders in those companies that we work with that they could actually use in their day-to-day work? We wanted it to be something that would be easy to reference and give them a few truths that they could kind of hold on to and make their decision-making processes easier and easier in their everyday job. So long story short, we have a sort of master plan for this framework thing, but it's a lot of work. So we're just starting with one of the areas for now, and that is internal communication. How can leaders cut through the noise of the workplace and make sure that everyone knows exactly what's going on so that they can all be working together and be aligned? So we actually did a podcast all about that topic, and we've started to do regular webinars where we can share about these types of topics and give away basically previews to this framework. All of that said, what does that mean you can expect to see on this actual YouTube channel? So here's how we're thinking about it. This channel was built with an angle towards Microsoft 365, and that's not going to change. You can count on seeing similar videos here that you've seen before. They may not be quite as frequent, but they'll still be here. They'll be kind of interspersed with some more strategy-based content, like clips from our Make Others Successful podcast. And I'm biased, but I believe that's where the real value lies in helping people build better workplaces. But time will tell. So what will you not see? So based on the stats from our recent full-length podcast episodes that we recorded with video, they don't fit great into this channel. They kind of always just are kind of bottom tier of statistics that we've been seeing. So we're actually going to be spinning off another channel to host only content from those podcasts, which, if you're interested, is actually already set up. And we would love for you to go subscribe, and we'll be sure to leave a link down below for that. Next up is office hours. If you didn't know, once a month we live stream to help people with whatever they need help with in Office 365. And this has gotten a bit more technical over time, which isn't terrible, but we've actually heard from a few people that they feel a bit intimidated to ask a question because they're so lost in this technical conversation, and we definitely don't want that. We want to encourage even the most basic questions to be asked, and we want it to be as approachable as possible. So in order to do that, we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to create a way for people to submit questions ahead of time. So if the live aspect adds some extra pressure to it all, we're going to make it so you can actually submit a question. You'll be able to submit a question, and then we'll go live per usual on that day and then answer those questions live, kind of alternating through maybe some live questions and pre-asked ones, and basically just feel out what makes sense on that day. But it'll all get recorded, and if you want to learn how to submit a question to our next office hours, you can find out down below in the description. So let's recap. We were treading water for a while, but we feel like we've kind of found our footing. We've gotten into a groove for video production again. And we'll still produce Microsoft 365 content here, but we'll be alternating with some workplace strategy content. Next, we started a new channel solely for the podcast, so go subscribe. In office hours, we'll have an option to send questions ahead of time. We'll maybe be a little bit less technical and involve more folks and make it easier. And then we'll also be doing some more regular events like webinars where you can attend and ask questions and kind of have a more real-time conversation about a topic, a particular topic. So the best way to find out about those things is in our newsletter, actually, which again is linked below. The newsletter, we always send out the next upcoming thing with as much notice as you can get. So we would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment. If you've been with us for a while, maybe you've seen some of these changes, but this wouldn't be anything with all of you. So would love to hear from you and continue to build this community.